I have an ebook for you, 50 pages, where I have some pages with this technique of the flexible foam. Here you can see it. This book has my favorite painting techniques, and I have a link below this video, so you can check it out for some more information. And I have a video here on YouTube where you can see me make this binder to save my printed out ebook. I use the flexible foam number 5 and it's from Smooth On. I have a link below where you can find where you can buy it. There is a yellow bottle and a blue bottle, and you have mixed them together. So one part of the yellow bottle and one part of the blue bottle, and I use 25 milliliter from the yellow and 25 milliliter from the blue bottle. You don't need much because it will grow 10 times. Now you have to stir it very well and for about 2 minutes. So that's very important, because if you don't stir enough, if you don't mix enough very well, then it will collapse and it won't grow as nice as it should be. Well, for me, the first time it will go wrong. You can see it later on. But I show you how you can solve that problem. The cup becomes warm, so then you know it's time to pour, just little by little, waiting for the right consistency, and there it goes. Now it takes about 20 minutes to cure and to grow, but you will see it collapse. Here it looks nice, and here you can see it went wrong. So I make another mixture, and I put a second layer on it, on top of it, and that will solve the problem. Now I have mixed very well. The temperature is also good, and it becomes now a very beautiful form, and it is also in painting, the more layers, the more beautiful your work will be. Now I've left it for till the next day, and I pull it off the plastic because it doesn't stick on the plastic. See how flexible it is? I can bend it, and I've made an image transfer skin. It's an acrylic skin. You can see this in part 1 of this series. Before I glue it down, I spray some water. See how flexible the skin becomes? You can see I can easily pull it over the foam and glue it down with Easy Coat Matte, and that's a decoupage glue. I want something extra, so I'm gonna glue some small balls from Powertex, and I have done them in a big sprinkler, and I use the Easy Coat Matte as a glue. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. You make me very happy if you will do that for me. And of course, if you have a question, please let me know. I will always come back to you. I've done this with print from Powertex. They have lovely prints and lovely faces on their prints. But of course you can also think of this as a personal object by taking a photo of your children. Keep in mind that it should be a photocopy from a copy from a laser print. Time to play with the colors, and of course my Pebeo Colorix, one of my favorite mediums to color. I have some purple and blue, and they are very high pigmented, and just you need a little bit, and then you spray some water and the color will find its own way in the texture. That's my favorite way to color. Look how beautiful and intense these colors are. And I can't resist some crackles, so I use the Deco Art transparent crackle paint, and yeah, I use my fingers to bring it on. This crackle paste gives a lovely small crackle, and it's easy to fill the cracks with color. That's why I love this crackle paint. You need to let it air dry for 24 hours. Look at that cracks and look at the color in the cracks. I love it. And another of my favorite is Nouveau Sparkle Spray. This is a lovely blue-green color, and I love also the color tones of this, the blues, the purple and the greens. They are very working well together. I take a scissor to cut away this little piece of foam. You can see you can easily cut it. It's a very soft material. And as always, we need also some light in our painting. So I have some white acrylic, but you can also use some gesso for this, and I tap with my fingers the paint in the texture. Let me know in the comments what you think of this kind of mixed media projects. Now it's time to say goodbye. The video is at the end, and I hope to see you in my next video.